Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a flip through of the latest book by Anastasia Koldereva called Listen to the Wind. I will leave a link in the description below where you can order this, but basically you just order it from her directly. You do need to also email her as well, just to make sure that she gets the order and everything goes through. So let's take a look. As with all of her books, it is the square size, spiral bound, and should be single-sided. So this belongs to page. I actually really like that one. I really just want to color the jeans. Alright, here's the image on the cover. Oh, that one looks fun. Now, I have avoided looking at anyone's flip through so that this could be a first time experience for myself. Oh, that's cool too. Oh wait, I think we're missing. Nope, just really thick paper. Not a bad thing. Oh, I love the hair in this one. A little, what is that, a cat? Isn't that one of those cats that are like furless? Oh, look at that one. This would be great for Halloween. Well, that one's a little creepy. Now her grayscale can get a little heavy on the skin, so often I will erase it just a little bit. That one, I love the hair on that. That's cool. Ooh, I like this one a lot. The flowy hair. It's beautiful. This one is too. See, this is one where I would kind of take my eraser and just get some of the grayscale out so it's a little bit easier to color. Oh my gosh, that is so creepy and beautiful at once. Oh, this would be so cool. I've never really colored a clown face. That's something I should probably work on. That her hair's all coral and kelp. Oh, check that one out. These are stunning. Quite a few that could be used for Halloween. That's beautiful. I don't know about the snake. Look at that one. That could be so dark. Ooh, with like a green glowing background coming out from behind here. Breathtaking. Oh my gosh, I love the hair on this one. It is so funky and cool. That's nifty. Oh, I like this one too. This is a good one. I mean, I love all her books, and I don't color them in them as much as I should. I really need to. That's beautiful. Trying to make sure I'm not skipping a page. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that one. The paper in her books can be a little temperamental. I like that one as well. I usually use my Prismas, but to each their own. I like that too. Oh, that's gorgeous. So yeah, I highly recommend ordering this. Oh, it's got a little sticker. Recommending ordering from her directly is way cheaper than on Etsy through a third party. I think I spent like not even $40 US. That includes the book and shipping to get this. So that's why I say definitely go that route. But yeah, that is the latest book. Let me know if you ended up snagging this or if you want to do any color alongs in it. I know it's hard to do color alongs in books like these that aren't as widely popular or easy to get your hands on, but I'm always open, so let me know. And until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.